So this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. We don't have shit in here. We just have like, yeah, junk that Ambrosio wanted. And this is the living room. Then this is some cleaning shit. Oh, come on. Then this is our room. Big one. This is our room. And look, we have a fucking tub in here. Look, tub. We bought a bath bomb for the tub. If it looks messy, I'm sorry. This is like the second day. And yeah, we were too lazy to record. Anyways, let's go. This is the bathroom. Where's the light? Oh. This is the bathroom, and there's like a washer and dryer right there. Okay. And then let's go upstairs. Come on. This is upstairs. So it's sturdy.
Little arcade thing, I don't think it works though.
Yeah, it doesn't fucking work. We tried to turn it on and it doesn't work. But then we got this 1992 TV. And then here's her bed. Here's how it looks.
Oh yeah, those are coupon books.
Oh yeah, these we got these. We went to Walmart yesterday and we got like all these fucking books of shit we can do.
Yeah,
and
coupons.
I got a coupon book so we can save money. Let's go outside. Imagine if I fell. Oh, this is outside. Oh, it's not that cold. I thought it was colder. No.
I don't know what's more beautiful.
You know, I just
the
did that.
view
You
or already.
know what it reminded me of? The cat.
Oh, this is a jacuzzi.
Oh yeah, this is a jacuzzi.
About to get it out later.
Last time?
You just lift it up.
Oh man, it's probably bleached though. It's gonna smell like that.
I'm gonna get in it later.
Oh.
The view is so nice. Look at that cabin all the way up there.
Oh no, that one was haunted. There's another one over there. Like. Oh fuck no! What if they jumped at me? Oh, I just wanna. Oh, it's hard. Look at how pretty. Yes. Oh fuck! The wind just hit my eyes. Oh my god, my eye just got watery. So this is a King Kong. Let's go over there. Oh my god, it's so cold. Can we go inside now?
You gotta press the code.
It's cold.
Or no?
They must just look good.
Oh damn, I just
I know
scaring you,
scared
bro.
me. Ambrosie's gonna get married. What are you doing?
Getting married. I got the hair for it. Shut up.
You got the pencil in your face. Do something sexy. Yeah, something sexy. Yes. Lower. Yes.
Yeah, okay, good job.
Yes. The hair whip. The hair whip. Hair whip. Hair whip. Hair whip. Yes. Start working. Start. They always spit on me. Oh, that's so good.
Where am I? Where am I? No shit. Look, Cindy, this way.
No, it's this way. Wait, Ambrosio. Wait, where'd you go? Ambrosio.
This way. Cindy, oh, shit. Oh, well, she said we can't go out. It's the black thing. It's right here. Look. Go.
Wait.
Look, go. Oh, shit. Hey, it's this way. Where are you?
Wait,
though? Which
they
one's
can't-
you? Is that you?
Yeah.
Yeah, come here. It's this way.
Wait, are they behind us? Oh, they're right
Where?
there.
Where? here.
So the second place we're going to is called Wonderworks.
Oh, bruh. That's so cold. Imagine dying in that.
Oh, it counts the minutes, seconds, how many you've been in there.
Oh, I was longer. Let's see how long you can do it. Go.
Alright, ready?
That's
Ready?
Yeah,
Are you
that's
ready?
the challenge.
Are you ready? Go.
Okay, that shit's freezing.
No, oh my god, my hair! Button. Wait, what the fuck? You all see that? Every time I push the down button, the little black thing lines up here. I don't know if I can see that. And then when I stop, it stops. You see? What the fuck? he's not even on the rocks, bro. You know.
She ain't even got nothing no more.
It's actual sand.
Lily? Yes.
Stop shooting! Stop shooting! That's not fair! Oh, look at its eye. Meh. Meh. Meh.
They're not sheep, so really.
Oh, what noise did they make? Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the vlog. I'm gonna have more footage of my last days here in Tennessee, but it's gonna be in my other vlog. It's so cold. Where we are at the Smoky Mountain, the national park, and it's so cold. It started raining and my eyelash is coming off because of like how windy it is, and my eyes are like watering really bad. Right now we're under whatever the hell this is.
We're gonna go that way more.
It's really cold and I want to go home, but anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure you put the bell thing for to get notified every time I post a video. Bye guys.